Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my most used handbags in 2020. If you like this type of video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, before we get started, I really want to talk about my shirt. So I just got this shirt yesterday. When I opened it up, I'm just falling in love with it. So this is from Another Story. I just love those little cute collars on the top. It has two colors actually. It has black and white. Just in case if you're interested in these really cute tops, I put the links down in the description boxes. Check it out. First most used handbag is the Goyard Mini Cycle in black color. So this is how it looks like. It has this wooden handle and the classic signature of Goyard. This is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. The reason that I used this the most last year is just because this is so functional pieces. You can be handheld like so, and also it has the strap to be crossbody. The strap is like so. Some of you are asking if this is too thin. Yes, it is actually thinner than any other straps for my bags, but it's been comfortable for me because this bag is really light. Just like the other Goyard product, it is known for really light, and especially this is a mini bag. You cannot put too much stuff in, right? I really loving these yellow interior inside. Once you open it up, this black color, sometimes you feel like it's too serious, and once you open it up, you feel like it's a brand new world. And also, even though this is a mini bag, it actually fits a lot, fits everything that you need. It can fit more than what you imagine. It can fit your wallet, your car keys, your lipsticks, compacts, makeup stuff, hand lotion, sunglasses. It fits all my essentials. I've just been loving it. A lot of you actually been asking me if I remember the price of this. I purchased this in 2019. The price at that point is $2620. So it's $2,620, just in case if you're interested in. The second handbag I want to talk about is my Lady Deal. This is just gorgeous. This is in the cherry red color, and this is in patent leather with champagne hardware. So it has the flap bag in the top. It does not have the zipper, and inside is the chain. The chain is actually in the champagne color as well, and on the top it has leather just to protect your shoulder. Really comfortable. This is the bag that I always use for maybe a date night or just a dinner. In date night you don't have to carry a lot and you want something shiny, and I like these pop-up colors. I got a lot of compliments when I'm using it. And the next bag I want to talk about is actually my Cup Chains BB. This is in the galette color. This is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. It does not have any pocket in the back. So I've been loving this. It also has the shoulder straps, but I don't have it with me right now because the most time I'm using it is top handled to put it on my arms like so. So most of the occasions when I use these bags is more for formal situations. If I want to go to weddings or some type of this kind of formal events, but where I don't have to use a lot of stuff. So this one is all leather handbag, so it will be a little bit heavier compared to the other ones. And this is just so classic pieces from Louis Vuitton. I've been loving it, and it actually, this color go with everything. If I need that elegant look and classic looks and to just look presentable during the events, I will use this bag. And this bag is so structured, it's not slouchy at all. You can always keep its shape, just like you always want to be look elegant into those events. The next bag I want to talk about is my Birkin. I use this bag while I want to go to the banks or the lawyer's office. It's more of like a formal business situation. I have this in the size 30. This is the front. This color is the dark gray color. They call it Grace E10. This metal is in rose gold. This is the side, and this is the back. I usually use a handhold. This is in size 30, so it actually fits 14-inch Surface Pro. inside and any A4 letter size papers that you can easily fit in. So if I'm going to any formal business situations, I will definitely use these bags. For the casual using, you can, but I normally do not use it because this is too big for me. If I just want to go to the mall for shopping, or if I want to just have some dinners with my friends, I will choose the Lady Dior. The last bag is actually one of the bags I use a lot, and also you're probably hearing me talking about this bag a lot, is my Goyard St. Louis. If I go to the yoga class, go to the gym, go to the beach, any places that I don't need a structured bag, I will use this. I love the color and I like it really light, so when I put a lot of stuff in, I don't feel like heavy at all. And this is what it looks like on me here. Okay, that was all about it. If you like this type of content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel.